Welcome to our session on understanding the bill of materials and standard work instructions. Let's dive into how these tools can streamline our production process. Here's what we'll cover today: understanding production documentation, key points, who needs this training, and the benefits of mastering these tools. This training is designed to help every team member understand how to use the BOM and STD effectively. Mastering these documents ensures quality and consistency in our production. Zone leads and QC technicians play a crucial role in ensuring the BOM and STD are followed correctly. This ensures a smooth and efficient production line. The BOM is your checklist for every part needed to build the product. It ensures that each component is correctly identified and used in production. Here's a visual example of BOM components, highlighting key areas like item numbers and descriptions. This helps in verifying each part during production. Verification steps are crucial to ensure that all components match the BOM. This process helps maintain quality and consistency. This example illustrates the BOM verification process, ensuring each component is correctly accounted for and matches the documentation. The VIP Traveler is a crucial document that tracks the progress of each job, ensuring all parts are accounted for and correctly processed. Standard work procedures outline the exact steps needed to build a product. Following these steps ensures consistency and quality in production. This layout shows how workstations should be organized to maximize efficiency and ensure all steps are followed correctly. Here's a practical example of how operators should follow the standard work instructions to ensure quality and efficiency. This example further illustrates the importance of following standard work instructions, highlighting key steps and procedures. Continuing with practical examples, this slide shows how detailed instructions help maintain quality and efficiency on the production line. To maintain high quality and avoid red tags, follow these simple steps. They help catch issues early and keep production smooth. Understanding defect categories helps in identifying and addressing issues quickly. This ensures a smooth production process and high quality output. Minor defects, though less serious, are important to address. Identifying these early keeps the line moving and the product looking right. Cover the minor defects: labeling, color match, trimming, soft flash, surface flaws. These won't shut the line down, but unaddressed they become customer complaints. Reinforce that catching them at the station is faster and cheaper than catching them at final inspection. Thank you for your attention. We hope this session has been informative and helpful in understanding the importance of BOM and STD in our production process.